There are 5 things that you must know before start creating content, and there are 5 things you must avoid while creating content. Do you understand? So in this tutorial today, I'm going to teach you 5 things that you must know before creating content, and 5 good things that you must avoid while creating content. So you must know all these things so you can apply them during creating your content. And you must understand that there are certain things that you must not be doing while creating your content, so you can avoid them while creating your content. So many people get into content creator, and at the end of the day they get kicked out. They are not monetized, they don't have followers. It's because they are make mistake. So I'm going to teach you some certain mistake that you must not make anytime you start creating your own content. So, and I'm going to start right away. So before I start, my name is Michael Omonobero, and I'm Christian content creator. I create content on many things, and the reason I'm creating this kind of content because I want people to learn, and I have a lot to teach people. I understand how hard it can be for people to learn by purchasing course, by purchasing masterclass, by purchasing seminars, and which is the reason I'm giving all these things for free. I'm giving them out for free so you can earn. It doesn't matter if you want to become a content creator. It doesn't matter if you want to be you are just you are a business owner, you are a small business owner. Social media is the best place to make a sales in all technology. Social media is a best place to make a sales, best say to have followers, to build a community, to have customer so far. So the total focus of this thing is to show you how social media works, so you can use it for your own advantage. Whether you want to make friends, whether you want to make sales, whether you want to create awareness, you want to whatever you want to do, or you want to make money with social media. So these 5 things work for all social media, and the 5 mistake that you must not make is also for all social media. So without wasting our time, let's video. And welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless you. And the number one thing you must know before start creating content, number one is you must know your purpose, and you must understand your target audience. So the thing is, you must be certain why and who you are creating your content for. So you will see it this right side. You will just view it this right side. I will be listening. Don't worry. Everything I'm saying, you'll be seeing it right this side. So you can be reading it by yourself also. So you must be certain why and who you are creating your content for. You can just ask yourself, for example, that what problem am I solving with my content? That's a question that I ask myself before I start my own content. So you can just ask, what problem am I solving with my content? Who do I help? So who are the people that my content are helping? So you are going to ask yourself those questions. What transformation will my audience get from my content? That is what define your content. That is what you should create content on. If you can understand why and who you are creating content for, if you can understand the problem you are solving with your content, if you can understand who your content is helping, if you can understand what transformation your audience is getting through your content, then you are ready to create content. Let me give you an example. Number one, let's say you are creating content you are creating comedy skits. So your who and why you are creating your content is should be okay. Oh, I'm creating content because I want people to laugh and forget their sorrow. So, which means you understand how frustrated this life can be. You understand that people are going through a lot, and by you want to use your content to help them out of their sorrow, out of their depression. So you make your funny skits. The moment they watch your movie or your skit, your comedy, people laugh and forget what is wrong with them. That moment, you understand. So you have solved the first puzzle, that why and who you are creating your content for. The reason comedy people are creating their comedy skits is because they understand that people are going through a lot, and who they are creating content for are people that are going through a lot, people that need to be smiling, people that need to be laughing, people that need to stay out of their depression, out of their whatever they are going through. Okay, so and what kind of problem their content are solving. Their content are solving the problem of depression. A lot of people are going through depression. So once they are creating content, their target audience and their purpose is to make sure that those people laugh and they forget their what, their sorrow. Do you understand? So what they are currently solving is they are solving problems of depression, problem of all kinds of problems that people might be going through. And the only way they can start is to make a funny skit so that people can laugh and do what? And forget their sorrow. So who do you help with your content? You help people that are passing through a lot. And what kind of transformation people get through comedy skits? If you want to into comedy skit too, people people are transformed their sorrow to laughter. That moment they see your post, that moment they watch your video, they live out there's something that we they live out of. So you are helping them to solve their problem in one way and what and order. Do number two on my list, the 5 things that you must know before creating content. Number two is your content must have value over quantity. Do you understand? Success does not come by posting every day. Without value, there is no growth. And create high quality content is what make you what go. If your content is valuable enough, people will come, people will watch your video. If you are creating high content, high valuable content, people will come and watch the video, they will like, they will engage. Like comedy, you make it funny, you look for sounds, you look for reaction, you look for all those things to spice out your comedy. People will watch it, people will laugh, people will, it's more that you are just creating anyhow content and you are pushing it out here. Do you understand? So you don't just create content of always. You create quality content that will help your watch, that will help your audience. Number three, you must know that you are not just a content creator, you are a brand. So don't be another person. Don't try to be someone else that you are not. Be yourself. Be real. You do the things that you love. You do the things that you like. You put it as reality. People are going, no matter how bad your niches or whatever you choose to do, no matter how good, no matter how mischievous it be, people going to watch it. Trust me, people are going to do what? They are going to watch it. And then number four that you must know before start creating content is monetization does not happen instantly. People don't get rich on social media by posting a single picture or by posting a single video or by posting a test video. You have to be consistency. Let me tell you something. It's not that you post one video today, you go another day. Monetization don't happen a day. Doesn't happen instantly. It took consistency. You have to be work. You have to start creating content every single day. You understand? If it's not compulsory, you'll be posting every single day, but you have to make sure you are creating high quality content and you be consistency. Not that you create today, you are not going to create it again. You must be what? Be consistency. You won't make money a day. Meanwhile, let me be rest assured that a single video can change your life completely. That's if you are into content creating. Do you understand? Now, if you are into other things like you are just posting about your business, it doesn't matter. All these things don't happen a day. Those that love your products, those that love your business, those that love your content will do what? Will follow you. And they are not going to do it in a day. You understand? You sometimes you have 2 followers a day, you have 3 followers a day. You are not going to gain that 10,000, that 400,000, that 5,000 followers. You are not going to gain it again. It is a gradual process. And number five on my list of the 5 things that you must know before start creating content is consistency beats talent. No matter how talented that you are, if you are not posting regularly, you will have problem with social media. Regardless of what you are doing on social media, either you are a content creator or whatever you are doing, you will have problem. You have to be posting regularly. If you just posting regularly doesn't mean you are posting every day. Of course, you can post every day. There's nothing bad in it. You can post every day. There are a lot of people that are posting every day, but there's nothing. It is not bad. You have to be posting regularly. You can just choose like maybe 4 times in a week, maybe 5 times in a week. You will do it Every week you'll be posting it 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 10 times in a week. You just keep doing it every day till that time come that social media will put your video out there and a lot of people will do what? We know it. Now let me tell you, there are 5 mistakes that you must avoid while creating content, and this one you must focus very well as I'm listing them. Please and please don't do these 5 things that I'm about to tell you, or else you will back up with no time. You are not going to do, we are not going to make any money. Either you are a business owner, either you are posting products, whatever you are doing, you are not going to make it. There's nothing going to work if you are not going to put, if you are going to do this thing. Number one, you must stop, don't don't copy other people's video without adding your own flavor. Do not copy other people's video without adding your own flavor. What did I mean by is that, let's assume the way I'm creating content now, you like my video and you want to repost it on your page. Now you just download my video and you go and repost it there. If you do it with YouTube or other social media, you may have problem, because it may likely have a copyright, and when you have a copyright strike, you will have problem on your channel. Are we together? So don't copy someone video without adding your own flavor. Adding your own flavor means you can add your picture, you can add emoji, you can add another sound. Just put something that will differentiate that content from normal content that the person have, even it is the same content. But just add something. Don't copy and post. Copy and post will hurt your page. Some people do reaction video, even a small video, you add it before or after the video was played, it's, it's longer the duration and it add to megabytes. You understand? Don't just do copy and paste. And don't chase trendy without strategy. If a lot of people are, this one is trendy, oh, everybody post on it. Madam, brother, if it is not your niche, don't run over it, because you will confuse their algorithm. So the algorithm need to know what you are really posting. If you are a Christian content creator, you based on Christian content creator. If you are Muslim content creator, if you are into foodie, you are out to, if you are finances, you understand, you do it. So I'm just doing all this for you people to understand. Though, so don't jump on trend anyhow. Jump on trend that align with what you are creating content on. Are we together? And number 3 of the 5 mistakes that you must avoid is posting inconsistently. I have said it earlier. If you don't post consistently, you are not going to, nothing is going to happen. Like you post today, in the next 1 month, you are not posting. Whatever you are, just make sure you are posting something. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you are posting something. That is way to achieve success on this social media. Okay, all these things that you are doing, I'm just doing it for free so you can understand. Those Sabinos, those Predator, those Samsak, all these people that you have that make it, they post consistent every single day, every week, yearly, 2 years, 3 years, they are still posting. They no talk say after 1 week, after 3 weeks, after 10 weeks, I never get 10,000 subscriber, I never get 40,000 subscriber, I never get more 4 hour watches, I never get 100K followers, my video is not going viral, and they back off. If they back off, they are not going to get what they have today. So I should plan to start whatever you are going to do. Just make sure you focus on doing it consistently. And the number 5 on my list is focus on, do not focus on too much like and comments. Do you understand? If you are working on YouTube, don't focus on too much like and comment. Focus on your views. It's still better that you are focused on how many people that like. Although social media have one thing in common. Every social media have one thing in common. The thing is, if 10 people watch your video and 10 people, out of that 10 people, 2 people like, 3 people like your video, they are going to, the algorithm is going to push the video to 10 more people or 20 more people to see whether they are going to like. And if more 20 people like your video, or 10 more, another 20 people like your content, that algorithm is going to push it out to more 100. So that the more people like your video, the more people comment, the more the video will be going what? Viral. You understand? Now, focusing on them will only hurt you. People are comment on my channel, people are comment on my page, and you just focus on it. You don't focus on how many people are actually view your post and how longer they are watching your video. These are the things that they matter. If people watch your video and 60 seconds and they run away, that video is going to come down. They are not going to push it out there. Or if people watch your video and they get a lot, like 15 minutes, 10 to 5 minutes, they are still watching the video, you will know that, okay, people like this video. So I beg you, if you watch to this place, if you watch to this minute, that means you really love the video. And if you comment, if you like, if you are from my group, if you are from my group, God bless you. If you are from my channel, God bless you also. Your reward are counting. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My weekly commenters are going to be reward. My weekly like are going to do the reward. Everybody is going to be reward. God bless you and see you in my next video. Thank you.